If you have a weak stomach, don't watch. I was watching this on YouTube. It was so appetizing. I said, I've got to try this.
Well, I just came back from shopping. I tell you, they're more expensive than I thought. Give it a try. Can you figure out what is for fishing and what I will eat? Mm. I'll try anything once but homosexuality. There's my granddaughter still sleeping, keeping an eye on her. Well, while she's sleeping, I got things to do. Let's take a look. Okay, here's my chicken legs, and here's my gizzards. This is the way they look like. Okay. The gizzards, I like to wash them. Well, I wash the chicken legs also, and cut off the toenails. I don't like the toenails. I never had them. Never had chicken legs, chicken feet. Had chicken legs, not chicken feet. I'm gonna give it a shot. The stomachs, I rinse them out. Make sure there's no chicken feet inside the stomach. And let's give. And I just boil them for I don't know, 15, 20 minutes at a slow pace, and just put salt. I just put a little salt in it. Eat them like popcorn. Okay, the chicken feet are ready to go. And I have the stomachs cooking in there. Well, here are the chicken gizzards. Stove nice and warm. And just took out the chicken legs. They're hot.
Oh, look at the chicken.
That's not for everybody.
Well, it's ready.
It's 8 in the morning. Now the stomachs, I had them before. I love them. Mm. They're a little tough. Mm. Very chewy. I put no spices. All right? For the first time, let's try this. Will I eat it again, or is it going to the trash? Mm. It's like eating toenails.
Oh, Daddy wants more food, I guess. Daddy needs some more food, see? Daddy.
I don't know. I think it's an acquired taste. Maybe I didn't cook them long enough. 15, 20 minutes. I'm going to put them back in the pot. Back in the pot they go. After 20 minutes of cooking, they taste like eating toenails. How do I know? I can't tell you. Well, let it sit for another 20 minutes in boiling water. Let's see if that makes any difference. Oh, by the way, this is what I eat. This is my granddaughter's breakfast. Of course, she wasn't hungry this morning. She'll eat this later. I think it's an acquired taste, but let me try it again. I don't think you're supposed to eat the bones. I'm not going to show you the rest because it's gross. Let me see. So what I do, I put it in my mouth. Okay, I suck on the feet. Don't eat the bones. That's not too bad. Okay. Okay, so what I could compare this to is eating chicken wings, where you've got all that bone on the chicken wing. So, and you gotta spit the bone out. I don't know, I don't think I'll do it again. It's too much work for not enough reward. You know what, maybe if I made it spicy like chicken wings, you can't eat that many. Maybe that's something to do next time. Okay, half of it is gone. You gotta get over thinking of it as putting chicken feet in your mouth. It reminds me exactly of eating chicken wings. This one I'm gonna put some kind of sauce, make some kind of a sauce, and put in the pan and make it with a sauce like you would do a chicken wing. If you like chicken wings, you could learn to like this. Me, it's too much work. Just like chicken wings, I won't eat them. It's just too much work for the amount of meat that you get out of it. Oh well, I'm not gonna let it go to waste, but I will put some sauce on it. It'll taste a lot different. I mean, I'm sure it's like if you tasted chicken wings without the sauce, just made them taste exactly the same way. All right, enjoy. Bon appetit.
Well, that's it. Hey, if I made you smile, great. If I made you laugh, that's even better.